Dobrodošli u još jednu epizodu emisije Fancy Bike. Nedeljni pregled najvažnijih vesti sa sajta Serbia, ali niz priloga vezanih za naše omiljene glumice. Pogledajte šta vas očekuje u ovoj emisiji.
Šta se desilo nakon nesreće? Sezona teško prihvata. U drugom mjestu Stefana Dejmona.
Njet! Njet! I remember my gymnastics coaches would always say that. Njet!
Televizija DCW objavila je prva dva klipa iz premijerne epizode Vampirskih dnevnika koja nas očekuje 12. oktobra. Pored toga objavljeno je niz fotografija iz ove epizode. Šta se još to dešavalo vezano za vampirske dnevnike, ali i za Sumrak sagu i za pravu krv, pogledajte u najvažnijim vestima.
Televizija DCW objavila je prva dva videoklipa iz predstojeće premijerne epizode Vampirskih dnevnika. U prvom se direktno nadovezujemo na finale treće sezone. Elena se budi, a pored nje su Stefan i Damon koji pokušavaju da joj objasne šta se desilo nakon nesreće, što ona teško prihvata. U drugome vidimo Stefana i Damona kako pričaju o događajima koji su doveli do toga da Elena postane vampir. Premijerna epizoda nove sezone Vampirskih dnevnika bit će emitovana 12. oktobra, 2 sata posle ponoći uživo na našem sajtu. Serbia za to veče sprema specijalnu emisiju uživo koja će početi sa prikazivanjem 5 minuta posle ponoći.
Ask Stefan, the hero.
He's fine.
Thank you. I thought that How did you...
Save you? He didn't.
When Jeremy brought you to the hospital before all this happened, your injuries were worse than anyone knew. Meredith Fell made a choice. She used Damon's blood to heal you.
And when Rebecca ran Matt's truck off the road, you had vampire blood in your system, Elena.
Oh my God. Does that mean that Am I dead?
The Vampire Diaries season premiere, Thursday, October 11th at 8/7 Central on the CW.
Pored novih videoklipova, televizija DCW objavila i fotografije iz epizode Growing Pains. Ceo set fotografija možete pogledati na našem sajtu, a također možete pročitati i zvanični sinopsis nove sezone koji je objavljen od producentske kuće Vampirskih dnevnika. 22-godišnja sumrak zvezda Kristen Stewart pojavila se u toplesu u jednoj sceni filma Na putu, koji je rađen po američkom romanu Jacka Kerouaka. Pošto je nedavno film bio promovisan na Međunarodnom filmskom festivalu u Torontu, Kristen je odlučila da svoj ljubavni život ostavi po strani i malo popriča o ovoj sceni. Uprkos činjenici da je ona idol mnogih tinejdžera, ona misli da pojaviti se u toplesu i nije toliko velika stvar. Prilikom jednog intervjua glumica je rekla kako je taj dan snimanja protekao kao i svaki drugi. Novi film Aleksandra Skarsgarda, Šta je Macy znala, doživao je svoju premijeru na filmskom festivalu u Torontu. Film je rađen na osnovu istoimene knjige koju je napisao Henry James još 1897. godine. Kritike nakon premijera filma su dobre i mnogi hvale Aleksovu glumu u ovoj drami. Film se za sada neće prikazivati u Srbiji.
Kristen Stewart postala je promoter brenda Balenciaga za njihov parfema. U januaru ove godine ona je se slikala za promotivnu kampanju. Kako je bilo na snimanju, pogledajte u prilogu koji sledi.
Hey, I'm Kristen Stewart. I'm here on the set of my first fragrance campaign for Balenciaga with Steve and myself. I've never done anything like this, and so I'm pretty proud. It's an odd relationship that us actresses get to have with fashion. It's not something that I ever imagined myself fitting into. I'm new to it, but I've been watching it for so long, and what I like about the Balenciaga brand is that, not to sound so obvious, but it is incredibly bold.
For me, Kristen Stewart has a very unique personality, and when I met her, I think it was right away, I thought she was so Balenciaga, and she was such also an interesting personality and a great beauty that I was wishing she could be a part of my story. I think there is something very specific with Balenciaga, is the duality with classicism and experimentation, and for this second project we thought we should explore more bright and dangerous in a way, Balenciaga's side. The idea was to imagine like a garden, a strange garden. We had the idea that we would create that garden with beautiful flowers, but also with kind of nasty, naughty flowers, more dangerous flowers in a way. And we imagined what was going to be the extract. And that's the story of Flora Botanica, in fact. The botanical garden and the extract we took from that is the fragrance.
What I like about this particular fragrance is that it's light. I want to hide the fact that I've thought about it. It smells clean and pretty and natural, and you don't necessarily know that you're wearing something, but you do.
Nina dobro promovisala je na filmskom festivalu u Torontu svoj film The Perks of Being a Wallflower. U prethodnoj emisiji imali ste priliku da pogledate jedan intervju, a evo i drugog intervjua koji je ona dala tom prilikom.
Niet. Niet. I remember my gymnastics coaches would always say that. Niet.
Team.com.
Every time someone asks me to describe Candace, I always think to say, well, she's blonde and she's got blue eyes and she's really cool and she's like one of my friends on the show. And then I remember like, no, not Candace Accola. Candace in The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Overachiever. President and president of every club. Okay, I can't do it in 3 words. It's so hard. It's so hard to like summarize anything in 3 words. She's just a girl who's wants to be the best at everything that she does and wants to be in control of everything that she does. But I feel like every relationship is complicated, with friends, with boyfriends, with parents, and I mean this movie is a very good example of that. It shows how layered and how complicated life and school and our experiences are, and it's okay because everybody's like that. It's not just you.
Bila ovo još jedna emisija Fancy Bite. Hvala vam pažnju.